All right, here we go. First pheasant hunt of the year. Let's do this. You ready, Loki? Go get the bird. You want to get the bird? You want to get a bird? Huh? You want to get a bird?
Don't eat me.
All right, let's go. Get him, boy. Where's the bird? Get him, boy. Get him. Damn it! That was one we missed.
Good job, Loki.
Good boy. He's a good boy. Loki. Told you he does good. It's windy, so they're tucked down. We got to get close to them.
Yep, they're gonna be bedded.
Get him, boy. Look. All right, round two, second place. Here we go. Oh, there's one. That's a female, though. You see it fly off? That was a nice male too, dude. You see that tail feather?
Oh yeah. I fucking heard him too. I stopped. I was like,
I thought I seen some over here. That's why it was earlier when I was snapping.
I fucking heard something. Dog's over by you. I'm like, oh, it's here.
Right when you start losing faith, right? Just to give you a little taste again.
Yeah, plus that we've had more shots birds up than we had.
Yep.
Down mama.
You get one? Good boy. Ah, that was unexpected, huh?
That was very unexpected.
Oh, he was on another one too. Fucking quail, dude. That was a lot of quail.
That was a lot of quail. I was not expecting it. Fucking stuck quail. I was like,
I'm like, oh fuck, what? Oh yeah, I'm shooting again. That's right.
well,
That's what I'm doing.
all up, I'm like, bro, they're tweeting, and then I saw, oh fuck.
Those are quail. I did the same thing. Tweeties? Oh wait, no. Good boy. It's a good boy.
Bad on us for not being ready.
He's like, what the fuck, guys? I say you guys up perfect. That's how you treat me? Good boy. It's like, don't worry, I'm just doing all the work over here, guys.
Won't freeze, but light enough.
I like this spot.
Huh?
Look, yeah, let's drop into here.
Oh, hold on.
Come on, boy.
Yeah,
you're good. Haha, motherfuckers, what's up? Come on, birdies. Fucking America! Somewhere in front of you there was one, so be on the... got one. Good boy. Where is it? Find it, boy. Loki. That's mine. Oh, what? Okay, get it. Where's the bird? Get the bird. Ah! 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 It's mine. Okay, quit.
God damn, that's a big bass.
Look, yeah, it is. Nice one. Hold it. Look at you.
You get the bird, I get the fucking bone. Fucking can't go wrong with that. Fucking A. That's 2 to fucking add to the food list.
Yeah, look at it.
Score.
Not stuff me, actually. Leave them alive, it's fine. So I said, remember when I said come back through this area?
Yep.
Because we push them all into the center and then you loop around.
Grab that.
Like you just stuff them right in there. Get in there. We're over here though.
Yep, I'm going over.
Hold on, I need to load 2 more. Good shit, man. They're right over here though, bud. Get the bird, Loki. Got it! Get it, boy! Look, come on! Where's the bird? Find the bird! Look, you find it! Where is it? Find the bird. You see where it went? That's what I thought. I heard him flapping for a second, but I think he's already dead. Find it, boy. Where's the bird? Where is it? Where's the bird?